Welcome to my empty house tour. This is everything else, I guess. The IKEA people are here and they're dropping off my bed frame and desk. I asked them if they could bring it to like the front porch since I probably cannot pick this stuff up by myself. Hopefully that works out. They're here. Been a day since we have been fully moved into this house. All of my roommates are also moving in their stuff. Like our stuff's just kind of scattered around everywhere. Parents slept over last night because they're helping me move stuff.
I like the floors.
That's what they brought in already.
Wow. I'm going to bullet the important thing.
It's getting there.
And that's even on here. You can see that that's down there.
Wow. Walk-in closet. Wow. Oh, and a walk-in shower. Oh my God.
Now they're gone, and tonight I'm actually going to be spending this first night alone. Is that heavy?
A little bit. Got it. You want to lift it?
I don't know.
That's sort of
My desk? Sorry, okay, probably should not have left up there. Also, I will be sleeping on this air mattress for like the next 7 days. My mattress was supposed to come in today, but I guess it says estimated for July 9th. Good thing this is actually very comfortable. Also, this is the current state of my room right now. It actually could be a lot messier, but I don't have all of my boxes in here. We're actually gonna build my bed frame first, just so I can format how I want my room to go. So I'm actually just excited to start building things and like putting my room together because my other roommates have been heavily decorating already, and I'm like, the room's like beautiful. I am obsessed with them. We're gonna get to work today.
You need 2 people.
Oh, you do? Oh, that's so specific. They're like, no.
You like that? And like, if you have a question, you just do it yourself. Give it a hotkey. Yeah, we gotta sort it first.
Okay. Yeah, most absolutely do. You know, let me do it like how you're doing. Guys, I am missing one of these, which is probably not the best thing to be missing. One step goes wrong and you land on it, and that is traumatizing. First morning in the house. Yesterday was pretty hectic just because I had to go over back to my old apartment just to use the Wi-Fi since we don't have the Wi-Fi set up here yet. I was over there pretty late. I love that I get to wake up with like lots of sunlight in the morning, which is beautiful. I'm gonna do my simple morning routine, not really like morning routine, just my skincare routine. That's what I'm gonna talk about today's sponsor, The Face Shop. I'm gonna start off my morning by using their Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. Guys, I may have put on way too much. This is probably the smoothest and the softest my skin has ever felt after washing my face. I actually like to go in with the light cleansing oil at 9s so I can remove all of my makeup, get off all that dirt. Then I'll follow up with the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. I already mentioned it, but it leaves your skin feeling so smooth. This cleanser is actually derived from rice water extract, which gently moisturizes the skin, leaving it visibly smoother and brighter. I highly recommend trying these products. You guys can find them in the description box down below. Amazon is also having their Prime Day sale today and tomorrow, where you can receive up to 30% off the Face Shop products. And the best thing about Prime, you get them in like 1 to 2, 3 days. I don't even know, like sometimes it's coming like a day. Thank you again to the Face Shop for sponsoring today's video. hectic, but I thought I would just focus on the bathroom for right now until I can finish setting all of this up. I bought 2 things that would help organize my bathroom. Okay. So I got 2 glass, these aren't glass, just kidding, these are plastic. So 4 of these. And then I think I'm just gonna put floss, hair ties, like cotton pads, to be determined. This was like 27 organizers, which I was kind of like, is that a lot? It might be. A bunch of different shapes also, so if I want something bigger, something smaller. I don't really know what could be placed in this though, to be honest, because it's so small. Maybe I'll put actually like my little hair ties in here. There's 4 of these, 3 of these, which are just straight trays basically. I'm excited because now I can organize my bathroom and make it look pretty and everything. That way I can also start unpacking these things that need to go in my bathroom. I've been trying to figure out this entire time why I couldn't get these to twist, but that's the reason why this was stuck inside. Yeah, obviously that's why I couldn't get it done. The lighting in here, just so pretty. For the past few days, it's been honestly very stressful. I finally put our bed frame together, and when I tell you guys that that was probably the most stressful thing that I will be experiencing, the amount of times that I've been cursing while building this bed, it's not been a fun time, I'll tell you that. Yesterday, you guys came with me to Target and we bought some cleaning supplies. Today, we're just gonna put those into the bathroom. I discovered I am an idiot. Yesterday, I was having trouble putting these containers into my drawers because they were like sliding, right? But of course, they came with these little like sticky things that you stick onto the back of the like circle holes, and it basically prevents your containers from sliding. I decided I am just gonna put all my skincare products in here. That way, when I am doing my skincare routine, I don't have to look for anything. It's just all gonna be in here. I just organize all my skincare into its categories. So here I have toners, cleansers, moisturizers, sunscreen, serums, face mask. Let's get to organizing. I went to Target for the second time in the past couple of days. These Target hauls are getting really expensive. I haven't had like any food in the fridge, so I did pick up a couple things just to eat, snack on for the next couple of days. First bag, this is my favorite yogurt. You guys have probably seen this if you aren't new here. It's the only thing I really eat in terms of yogurt. And it's a good snack for the morning. I got this long ago, back in high school. My friends used to bring this all the time. It looked really good, so I thought I would try it. This might be like dinner tonight, tomorrow. Also got overnight oats because I actually actually ran out from when I bought them in my last apartment. I used the entire box of it. I also got some hummus and then some pretzels because I think this is a really good snack. Random, but steak. I also got some strawberries, a couple other things from my bathroom, flushable cleansing wipes. I recently picked up baby lotion the last time, but it did not smell the way I wanted it to. There's a certain scent that I really wanted, and this is it. I also got a duster, which I feel like never in my life have I used one. Maybe I should now because I was always getting sick, and that's probably the reason why. Some other house stuff, plates, napkins, Kleenex. I feel like this would be good in the guest bathroom and my bathroom since I tend to blow my nose a lot, but I use like my toilet paper if I don't have tissues, and I feel like tissues would make more sense. And then paper towels. I have this idea. I'm gonna make a toilet basket. This will consist of Febreze, pads, liners. It'll go like right by the toilet, so if I need to like grab it while I'm doing my business, it'll be there close by. Perfectly next to the toilet. Getting orange chicken. Currently getting Chinese. So we can eat it on the floor at our house, like a little tradition.
It's the first time at tu casa. What do we call this house?
I forgot to make an outro for this video. The next movie and vlog is coming very, very soon. So subscribe.